Right, having now got the 36 Mark III wired up, it's GMC relay set, just done it. I'm delighted to report that it seems to work. It's very different characteristics. I remember some very old pre-2000 exchanges. With the Mark IV you have simple make contacts. You'll see it on the seconds. On the Mark III you have make before break contacts. And they give a much longer pulse. Let's check the pendulums are lined up. That's near enough. And whack it after the seconds drops out. And dun dun. You can immediately hear the difference. Pulse is so long you can even read the value on the ammeter out to the minute hand. It's 6 seconds. Yeah, that's obviously working. Well, so I thought there was something wrong, so I went to advance the clocks by using the advanced retard key here. I forgot. This is wired to the original diagram, and it doesn't advance the clocks every second on advance, it does it every 6 seconds, so it threw me off slightly, but there we are. It's an original GMT 34. All I've changed is some resistors. So now you see the speed here. If I switch back to the Mark IV, you can see you get much shorter pulses when you can adjust it, but with the Mark IV you can get shorter pulses. With the Mark III, with the chain to make full breaks, you can't. I think it depends what note you want. I mean, you can have a quick clunk 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 clunk, or if you're having a bit of a low day, you could have a bit of a slow day, you could just put it onto that. Anyway, so I'm very, very pleased that everything works synchronised. Oh, the only thing I haven't checked is the sync pulse goes through, and that is not subject to the changeover switch, so that should be okay. Everything else works. The hourly bell. I'm really pleased. Okay, well, I think that's that one. Just go back onto the regular clock. Dun, dun, dun. So apart from the control panel, we are nearly there. And obviously got a few clocks to put up. Right, now that's that one, scaly out for the moment. It's Chancery 242 exchange. It was very slow on the master clock, which maybe it was old enough to have full break contacts. Here we go again. Oh, I've got a power problem there. Not quite sure where. Power panel? Don't know. Well, oh, yeah, there's somewhere because none of the needles settled down. Okay, I have to check the solders on that. Solder connections. Right. Well, I think I'll give the standby a rest. Of course, I haven't tested the hourly synchronisation system. Let's walk it on the standby clock, the hour clock again. So we've got 5 minutes, standard. So which relay set? This relay set. This one's not going to do anything, is it? No. So I need to knock them on about, let's do 6 seconds. There we go, 6 seconds fast now, as opposed to the 30-second clocks. So I'll come back in about 2.5 minutes, I guess. Right, we're 6 seconds fast, so 4, 5. It pulled in. Oh yes, it pulled in. That's the last thing I haven't tested on this 36 GMT setup on the left side here, the standby side. It was going to be the regular, but I sort of ended up putting the wires wrong. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. There we go. And just going to wait till it gets down the bottom to make sure that the seconds and the pulse clock above are in step. 27, 28. There we go. Absolutely marvellous. Come back. And there we go. Really, really pleased.